Well, I founded one of Canada's only independent stock market research advisory firms, Keystone Financial, which can be found at www.keystocks.com. I'm a financial analyst by trade and education, hold a BBA in finance. I authored a syndicated financial column that ran for Canada for around a decade. It appeared in the Vancouver Province Calgary Herald, Investors Digest, as well as a number of other publications. I'm a regular guest on BNN, Canada's #1 financial radio show, Money Talks, with Michael Campbell as well. Now, our research at Keystone helps thousands of individual and institutional investors discover unique earnings-driven small cap and dividend growth stocks throughout Canada and into the U.S. Now, I specialize in Canadian and U.S. growth stock research. Now, what differentiates our research is that we look at any company, any size or business. In fact, our analysts look at the financial statements of every company in Canada, which is over 4,000 stocks, at least twice per year, and over 3,000 U.S. stocks to uncover select quality, small cap, and dividend-paying growth stocks. We use what could be classified as a GARP, or growth at a reasonable price model, to uncover quality earnings-driven small cap stocks. Now, we are often the first or one of the first analysts to cover a stock, giving us the opportunity to find what we call a truly mispriced growth stock. Now, we stress quality over quantity with our unique focused diversification strategy that is designed to build a concentrated portfolio of, say, 10 to 12 growth stocks over a year to 18-month period. Now, our clients are updated on each stock recommendation through individually read and easy to understand buy, sell, and hold reports with simple, actionable advice on each company within their portfolio. And simply, we give them a buy, hold, or a sell, and a complete explanation on why. Now, as far as our DIY seminar or our do-it-yourself seminar series, it was specifically designed to create help individual investors create portfolios of individual stocks. Now, these are the type of investors who have been unsatisfied with the high fees and meager returns from the traditional big bank mutual fund and ETF investing that they've done in the past. They're looking for a level of control over their financial future, specifically the stock component of their portfolio, which is often the most important part of their portfolio, often up to 70% of their total portfolio. Now, in our 2-hour, including question and answer period, DIY seminar, we share our strategies as well as a couple recent stock selections to get you started on your path towards financial independence. We are equity specialists focusing on the largest and most important component of your portfolio long-term, which is quality stocks. The topics we will get into just briefly is how many stocks you should own, what stocks to buy, which is important, when to buy them, and perhaps the most important part is when to sell a stock. And we give you some insight into our methodology. This methodology has allowed us to uncover unknown growth and dividend stocks that produce tremendous returns. I'll give you an example of one. Perhaps it is the best performing TSX stock over the last 10 years and the past decade. It's the Boyd Group Income Fund. The symbol is BYD on the .UN on the TSX. The stock is up over 4,000% over that period and has paid us. When we bought it originally, it was trading at $2.30. It's paid us a dividend of over $3 over that period. We still rank it as a long-term buy, although it's completely undercovered on Wall Street. These are the type of situations that we look for in our research.